Alrighty, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Janice, and today, this is a bit of a different format. I do apologize if there is noise in the background. Yesterday was my daughter's birthday and she's playing with like her stuff. So today we're recording on the phone because I wanted to kind of get it out of just testing different, different scenes or whatever like that. But today we are going to be reviewing this wig. So I already got like, you feel me? Hey, when y'all see these braids, y'all gonna be like, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. So, a seller from Amazon actually sent me a package. They wanted me to review this hair, so I'm kind of working with them. They didn't want me to do it for YouTube, but hey. So, you get it in like the regular Amazon packaging. And plus, I wanted to send it in this video. And so, you get a cap or whatever, which is basically this one. You just get this one, and it has like the whole. So I guess if you have like, no, I don't know the purpose of this one. So, and then so the wig comes in this, and let's see, it's supposed to be like a curly bob bang situation. So of course you have like your netting and things like that, and take it out and see what we got here. Okay, so it has like a wave to it. This is a synthetica, okay? That's what I call out my wigs. I call them syntheticas if they are synthetic. But yeah, it probably is maybe like 12 inches or so. I didn't really give me like the inches or anything like that. So like, take this out. So inside you have 2 combs here, and then you also have a comb in the back. Push that through. Comb in the back, and then you got like your bangs, right? But what I hate about this wig is this, like when they do this, but it be like gray or something. So I'm probably gonna have to like go in with some concealer and do that. But I did wear it yesterday, and I just put it back in. I like it. I really like it. It has a lot of body to it. It's only $17, y'all. Okay, it's only $17. She moves around. I'm gonna put it on too, but I just really wanted you to like kind of see like the essence of it without me having it on. So let me put it on and I'll be right back. So here is the wig on. It gives you like kind of like beach vibes a little bit. Let me come down. So I like my bangs to be kind of like right here to like really frame the face. Sorry, I'm looking at like the whole thing, but to like really frame your face. So I like the way it's cut and everything. Let me push it back a little bit more. I like the way it's cut and everything. The only thing that I don't like about this particular wig, and that's really any wig with bangs. Lord, let me get it back. It's comb. It's in the comb. Hold on, I got it like combed in. Maybe, yeah. So the only thing I really don't like about it is like, since it is super flowy and everything. Lord, get them together, Janice. Since it is super flowy, I just cannot get the bang part right. It was so just, okay. Calm down, girl. Might need to look into my big. Okay, so we'll leave it kind of wild right now. And I can even like do something like that. And it's not horrible. It's supposed to take heat. So you can kind of like do it like this if you want to. Okay, so the only thing that I don't like about it is that like if the wind blows, you feel me? You feel me? Like that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But other than that, like look, here's the back. So like I said, I think it's like 12 inches. It really doesn't say on the site, but this is the one big. I know they have another one that's like this in blonde. I cannot get this hair together though. I swear it looks a lot better than this because I wore it yesterday and I even like put a picture of me with it on. So like I like it. I like it. It's only 17 bucks. You can't beat it. It hasn't tangled. I wore it yesterday. My daughter's birthday party was at Chuck E. Cheese. And so party was at Chuck E. Cheese, and so you know I was running around trying to get this little girl and everything. So I definitely like it. Something quick, you know, something really, really different. It's so like it's super soft and everything. I would definitely highly recommend it. So I will put the link to it down below. Like I said, I think it's like 17 or 18 bucks, which is, I mean, which is pretty good for like the quality of this. And that, like I said, they said you can straighten it out. So you can definitely straighten it out. And I don't know, I'll probably test it and maybe put something on there and post about it and let you guys know exactly how it does straighten out. But yeah, this is it. This is the wig. It didn't have a name or anything. It just was like curly bob. So that's where we are. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, please be sure to like, comment, and comment like what you like about it, how you would rock it, and things like that. Is this a vibe? You know, this is the first kind of like bang curly situation that I've done, and for some reason my bangs just don't want to get right. Maybe if I look up here, because I had them straight down the other day. I had them down the other day because your girl got a big forehead. Y'all ain't got to tell me or nothing in the comments, but your girl got a big forehead. There we go. I think it was some up under. It was just some up under. But yeah, I might cut them down some. But yeah, again, guys, thanks for watching the video. We are almost at 1,000. Yo, we almost at 1,000. So I want to thank everybody who has been rocking with me and continue to grow. All right, girls and gentlemen, this has been another Niecy Baby production. No, y'all don't know me as Niecy Baby. Y'all know me as Miss G. So this has been another Miss Janice production. Happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas. If you're watching this on Christmas. And have a happy new year if I don't see you then. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye.